Snooze macht dich geil, ey. Ah!
I don't want peace. I want problems, always. Reading, I want killing people. Killing is my hobby.
Welcome. You got mail.
What is the most attractive language a man can speak?
Hey, look! I didn't know you were allowed to keep monkeys at home.
Red, I think that's a man.
Oh, sorry, mister.
Yeah, you already know how it is. Look at that.
Get your ass back here, boy.
What is this guy doing, bro? Like, yo, what are you? What? Yo, hold on. What?
Why are you riding like that back there?
Riding like I wasn't even doing anything.
You don't know what the fuck
Dude, I wasn't, bro. What are you, what's wrong? Do you want, bro?
over there. You're driving like a dumb idiot, bro.
Bro, I'll kiss you right now. Come here. You know what? What's up? What's up? Come here. Come on, what's up? You want me to start taking this off? Come here. Pull down your pants. Nah, pull down your pants. What's up? What's up? Come here. Come here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hurry up. Go over there.
Weirdo.
What the heck is wrong with that dude? Didn't even do anything.
Oh, man, hold on, man, hold on. Please. The last round we're going to use is a 12 gauge confetti round.